Right.
All right. Well, get back to your recording. I love you, and I'll talk to you later.
All right, I love you too.
All right, bye.
Bye. I guess there's been plenty of times I thought I had said something to you.
What the fuck? That's that nigga Lil Factor.
Early bird, I'm there before the bang over. Only thing I know to kill this hangover. I can feel the takeover. I'm out of town swerving, big body, no Land Rover. Pray to God, cause I can feel his hand on me. I don't know your name, love. Motown, baby, just like the Jackson 5. But I don't take too much convincing, long as you acting right. Fish Islands, capturing all movements. The right one caught the shots and they all do it. I been had made songs and you telling lies. Been had second thoughts on my path in life. Now I'm peeping your second glances. I do it dirty first, I ain't giving out second chances. I ain't built like that. If I ever had lost it, tell me why I can't get that back. Had devils resting my shoulders, told me get that back. And angels on the other making sure I give right back. It's like, which one do I wanna be? Hellraiser or the Halo? I can have it all, or I can just give it to you. Early bird, I'm there before the bang open. Only thing I know to kill this hangover. Lying to myself, I said the pain over. It's some stories in the book that I just can't open. Brother coping, doors closing. But I just took the top off, so it's all golden. It's some stress up in this cup, I call it mixed emotions. Have I been gone too long to tell you I need holding? If not, I need closure. All them favors I did ain't even worth disclosing. Diamonds, these closing. Thought I told you don't spread details. Early bird, I'm there before the bang over. Only thing I know to kill this hangover. I can feel the takeover.